Bird dogs. The bird dog exercise is a core exercise we use for our seniors that also provides quite a bit of balance challenge. One arm is extended and the opposite leg is extended, and the position is held for 10 to 30 seconds. To make this movement more difficult, we ask the athlete to move slowly, drawing the arm and the knee together in the middle, and then extending again. Moving in this position is quite difficult and increases the balance challenge. We can also ask the athletes to hold the kiss in the middle position for a period of time to increase the difficulty. This movement can be scaled further by elevating the athlete to a box or a countertop